Today we're taking the Jumbo Grid Trail all the way up to Virginia City.
This trail isn't too difficult, but it is a 4 Onyx off-road. Definitely need some 4-wheel drive.
It's not too hard a trail, but we'll see how we do.
We're just here to have a good time, show you guys what this trail is all about. So it is a nice brisk 39 degrees outside. We may encounter some snow, hard to tell. Right now we got blue skies, and I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is snowing.
I would like to take my own Jeep, my 06 TJ that I bought in the last video you saw it. I'm back in the 2020 Gladiator because the Jeep is getting a transmission swap. The shop is ignoring my calls, so I don't know when it's gonna be done. In just a second, we're gonna be pulling up to Creek Crossing. Tiny bit of water. All right, so this isn't like hard or anything, but we got this water right here, so we're gonna be driving through the water.
It's a little rocky, nothing too crazy. Tiny little water. I don't have anything to test how deep it is, but it looks not very deep. But the sun just came out. It's actually pretty nice right now.
It's good out. Well, I mean, it's not. Like, it's still cold and miserable, but compared to before, it's way better.
Yeah, it's not snowing. I don't know. Let's go through this.
Yeah, so this trail doesn't have like a ton of hard obstacles, but there's a lot of, you know, I don't know, there's scenery. It's not a very hard trail. It's a 4 Onyx. There's a lot of water throughout the trail. We're showing off mostly, you know, some notable areas. We'll get out and see how it is. It's a little slippy and all that.
I mean, it's just pretty out today. Got the mountains in the background, full of snow on them. So let's see Nick go through this. Ooh, getting a little teetery. Very nice. Now time for the Tacoma up there.
It was definitely harder last year, but the whole trail seems easier this year. It's not like it was like a lot harder last time, but it was definitely like noticeably different. The Gladiator is lifted and this is not, and both are on 33s. You see? All right.
Is that my receiver?
Probably, but yeah, that's definitely a noticeable difference between the trucks.
Yeah, lifted versus not lifted.
Yeah.
I mean, it needs to be lifted. It just needs to be.
Yeah.
Gains so much. I mean, this thing doesn't have great departure angle anyways, but like
it needs to lift.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does need it. I'm waiting until I can do it like all correct, you know? Like, because I want to get more travel while also getting a 3-inch lift and making sure like everything's like good. You know what I mean?
All right, so we're gonna be taking the left line over here, which is pretty rutted out, pretty loose. It's soft dirt, very soft.
almost to the end of the trail, coming up on Virginia City and get some lunch. I still don't know what place we're going to. I know it's good though. Nick's been there a couple times. He says very good.
Made it to Virginia City.
We're walking to the restaurant that I still don't know the name of.
I forgot. It's called like Place or something, or Palace. It's called like Palace or something. I don't think
it's something and something saloon.